Welcome to our channel, where we will immerse ourselves in the enchanting world of ladybugs. These tiny beetles, also known as ladybirds, are a delight to observe with their vibrant colors and delicate wings. Ladybugs are found all over the world, and they are a common sight in gardens and fields. Ladybugs have a unique ability to brighten up any garden as they feed on aphids, a common garden pest. They are nature's pest control, and their presence can significantly reduce the need for chemical insecticides. Isn't that amazing? Let's take a closer look at a ladybug's life cycle. It starts with an egg, usually laid on the underside of a leaf. From there, a tiny larva emerges, resembling a tiny alligator. The larva goes through several stages, shedding its skin until it finally forms a pupa. Inside the pupa, miraculous transformation occurs, and a fully developed adult ladybug emerges. Did you know that ladybugs come in different colors and patterns? While most people recognize the classic red ladybug with black spots, they can also be orange, yellow, or even black with red spots. In fact, some ladybugs don't have any spots at all. Now, let's talk about the most fascinating aspect of ladybugs, their ability to fly. With their delicate wings, they can glide gracefully through the air and land on flowers, leaves, or even our fingertips if we're lucky. They have a keen sense of smell, helping them locate plants rich in aphids. As we wrap up our exploration of the enchanting world of ladybugs, we invite you to appreciate these lovely creatures and their role in our ecosystems. Take a moment to observe a ladybug's intricate patterns, notice its delicate movements, and let it inspire you with its beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos about the wonders of the natural world.